Hey guys, welcome to Spindle Feeds. If you've seen any of my other content, you may be shocked by the short length of this video. Heck, I'm just as astounded, but let me explain. I've decided to piece together short segments covering various topics which individually wouldn't fill an entire video. I do this out of love, but also because we don't waste footage in this shop. As I accrue more randomness and other ADD-friendly content on film, videos such as this will get longer. So without further ado, I now present the first episode of Spindle Feeds, Offcuts. Enjoy! A few weeks back I uploaded a video where I cast and machined a replacement closing carriage lock handle for a gentleman named Tom. I boxed it up and shipped it back to him, and it was received, as I understand, with bated breath. The part fit his lathe, and from what I gather, Tom is super pleased. So much so that, in fact, our friend Tom mailed me back a care package as a way to say thanks. This package, in fact. I wasn't expecting such a grand big box, but here it is. Let's take a look, shall we? Okay, so we have a nice greeting card. That's a very nice touch. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, Tom is apparently a master of all things woodworking. Very nice. Oh, okay, so this is a list of all the competitions he's won. Wallowa Valley Arts Festival, 2008 First Place Award, 2009 First Place, 2010 First Place Award and People's Choice Award, 2011 First and Second Prize. Man, that's pretty cool. He's attached a note here. Let's see what it says. Just a short thank you for making the lathe part for me. I have included a piece of art that I made a few years ago. It's called Sunday Mornings. It contains 209 individual pieces of maple, purple heart, walnut, and bloodwood. I hope that you and your wife enjoy it, and thanks again for helping out a complete stranger. Sincerely, Tom. Wow, Tom. Well, let's see what's in this box. I am super excited now. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? 209 individual pieces of wood. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I've never received anything like this before. What a work of art. Tom, I am speechless. This is beautiful and unique. What a gift. I can't thank you enough. I mean, what else can I say? This is a handcrafted masterpiece. With all these pieces, I can't imagine how long it took to make this. And it is a apparent labor of love. Thank you again. Guys, check out Tom Clevenger and his work. He has a website listed here, stuartjonesdesigns.com. Much of his work can be seen in person at Stuart Jones Design Gallery in Joseph, Oregon. I encourage you to check out his work. It is amazing. I'm just awestruck by his talent. Tom, thanks so much. You really went above and beyond on this one. This was way more than I was expecting. Again, thanks so much.
Let me tell you a story about overpackaging. So, I made an order from Zoro Tools, and it came in this tube. And the FedEx driver was pissed. I was like, "What's wrong, man?" He's like, "And the contents kept falling out the bottom of this tube. I've been dealing with this all day." I was like, "What did I order? What did I order that required a tube that is, let's see, how long is this tube? This tube is 9 feet long." I was like, "Did I order the wrong thing? Did they ship me the wrong thing? What is going on?" I was just kind of dumbfounded. I'm like, I don't know what I could have ordered that would require a tube this long. And I didn't order one. What I had ordered, this thing will focus. Focus. There we go. What I ordered is this. A 3 foot long piece of rod. They shipped in a 9 foot long tube. I just thought I'd share that. I got a chuckle out of it. I hope you did too. I'm crouched down here, dwelling on this daunting task of cutting oil sludge removal. Oh, yummy. Times ahead. So if you're thinking about getting a rotary phase converter and you get an electrician that says, "Hey, you need to anchor it to the floor," bolt it to the floor, he says. It's like that. Don't use the rubber pads. Bolt it to the floor. Well, yeah, there could be a riser pad put under that might help, but let me turn this on. I'll let you listen to how this thing sounds whenever it is bolted to the floor. Isn't that awful? It vibrates the whole barn. But if you use the pads, like what I have on this 40 horse, listen to the difference. Much better. So just consider that if you're going to have a rotary phase converter installed. Alright, that's all I got.